Hello, monkey. Monkey, monkey.
You hear it? They're all scared.
We got the little monkey, the long monkey, and the chunky monkey. Hey! Ooh, look, let's go look at the big monkey. He's interesting. He's using his tail as a fifth appendage. What the heck?
Sticky name.
I hope he doesn't have diarrhea.
No, look, he's under the fan.
Are you feeling fresh, monkey? Yeah, monkey. Look, that monkey's in jail. He's got like his arm hanging out. I want some food. Pass the wire. A gaggle.
Look at his tail, look at his tail.
I know he uses it like an arm. Look at his long leg. Look at him scratch himself.
Look at the tail, Mom. Grass?
That was cool. You're like the opposite of an elephant.
Yeah.
As long as you don't feed it to your butt, you'll be okay.
You know what he's getting.
Yeah.
It's called grass, mother. We all know that.
No, but he's trying to get the little...
Flower ones?
Yeah.
Huh? You want flowers? You want some flowers?
Stop being patronizing to the monkeys.
Who's patronizing monkey? I'm not patronizing no monkey. You're like...
He just wants to be under the fan.
He's like he's like an elephant, a bat because he eats upside down. And what else did I say? I said something else, didn't I?
This is the one that you want.
He's like a pentoctopus or pentapus. Yeah, pentapus. Because he's got 5 arms. And that one's smart because he's in the shade.
This one's smarter, it's in the van.
Yeah.
Huh? It's hot. It's gonna get more.
I like that monkey.
Why? Because it's doing something interesting?
He said,
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna get that grass.